Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming eligibility and preparing your account. Open Settings, confirm you're on a public or creator account, and update Instagram to the latest release. Once done, navigate to About or the beta program link and request access. Enter any required identifiers. Make sure to back up key data, export posts, save drafts, and note 2FA recovery codes so you can revert if needed. This gets you into the beta quickly and protects your main feed and credentials. Once accepted, install the beta build from the official channel and follow prompts to update. You should then open Settings and enable experimental toggles for features you want to try. Toggle one at a time to isolate issues. Next, run through core flows. Create a post, upload a story, produce a reel, send DMs, and check analytics. This verifies behavior under normal use. While testing, take notes and screenshots of unexpected UI or crashes so you can report reproducible issues later. To finish, regularize your setup and learn how to handle problems. Use the in-app feedback tool to submit bugs with clear steps, device model, OS version, and screenshots. This speeds fixes. If instability appears, revert to the stable release by uninstalling the beta and reinstalling from the official store, then restore your exported data. Finally, monitor account metrics and privacy settings after switching. Make sure permissions and two-factor authentication remained intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.